Finn got stitches, and he's left with a scar. Finn doesn't understand that the scar needs essential nutrients throughout 12 months of development. If only he had Scar Protocol. Scar Protocol separates your healing into 5 unique phases, working together and optimized to treat your scar. Each phase aids in moisturizing, restores damaged cells, prevents excess scar tissue, and applies the newest scar treatment technology to provide you with superior results. Phase 1 promotes healthy healing of the wound, keeping the skin moisturized to soothe the skin and promote epithelialization. Phase 2 supports the healing structures of your incision. Phase 3 helps restore damaged cells by applying dynamic restorative properties and promote collagen production to help match your skin tone. Phase 4 targets scar redness, hinders scar tissue growth, and supports new and existing skin tissue to reduce and calm the appearance of your scar. Phase 5 provides the finishing touches your scar needs to decrease scar formation to help look flat and smooth. Scar Protocol, your healing begins today.